If you're looking for an accurate and durable light meter, then this might be the one for you. I picked this up on Amazon for under $50 and so far it's been working really well. I found this light meter pretty accurate compared to my friend's more expensive meter. There are certain ones on Amazon that are over $100. Considering it was $50, it was well within my budget. I really like the design of this light meter considering it is a little bit on the bigger side, but little things like, for example, there's a chain that attaches the sensor and the sensor cap. The one that my friend has, which is more expensive, did not have the chain, so he already lost his sensor cap. But it's just the little things like that that makes this one a pretty good unit. What I also like about this unit is that it keeps things simple. So as you can see, there are 4 digits on the screen. Basically, there is the range button feature where you can have a ×10 or ×100, and basically it just kind of decreases the value. Let's get to the unboxing. The only negative I found with this unit was that changing the battery the first time was a little complicated. So basically you have to take off the orange cover, then you remove those screws, which will reveal the 9-volt battery. Stick it back in, put the screws back in. You did not need to take off this flip cover, which I did. And then you just slot it back in to the protective case and you're ready to go. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase of this light meter. For under $50 and being able to read the lumens accurately, you really can't beat this. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll leave a link in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.